Hello friends, we are going to discuss about comments in Python. Comments are additional readable information which is read by the programmer but ignored by the interpreter. So comment will be ignored by the interpreter. Comment will not execute it. That is only for the documentation purpose. Python comments begin with the hash character. Begin with the hash character and end with the end of the physical line. For example, I'm giving a hash character and I'm printing all the best for your Python learning. It will not get printed. Okay, I will show it to you. So here hash symbol I'm writing all the best for your Python learning. Okay, then I'm printing print hello. Print hello. Okay, I'm executing the program. So see the output. Here I am getting hello. The comment is not executed. The comment is not executed. So no error and no output also. Types of comments in Python. There are three types of comments in Python. They are full line comment, inline comment, multi-line comment or a block comment. Full line comment, inline comment, multi-line comment or a block comment. We will see them one by one. First, the full line comment. Full line comment. The physical line beginning with the hash symbol are known as a full line comment. For example, this is a Python program. Here, this program shows the addition of two numbers. So, here is a hash symbol. So, you can see that hash, okay, the physical line which begin with the hash. The line is the physical line, okay, which begin with the hash symbol are known as a full line comment. So now this compiler will not show an error. Okay, this is known as a full line comment. We'll see in the demo. So what I'm doing, it's a full line comment hash. Okay, showing beginning is a full line comment. Okay, so I add two numbers. I'm giving add two numbers. Add two numbers. So this is my full line comment. This begin with the as symbol. This is a full line comment. Okay. So what I'm assigning a variable a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, print c. Print c. Okay. So I'm clearing the console. Now I run the program. I'm getting 30 is my output. The comment is not get executed. This comment is known as a full line comment. Next is known as a inline comment. Inline comment. Inline comment starts in the middle of the physical line after the Python code. So middle of the physical line after the Python code is known as inline comment. See here a equal to 10, b equal to 20. So here this is known as an inline comment. This comment is known as a inline comment. So this is the inline comment. What I am telling, c equal to a plus b. This line will be executed by the interpreter. After that, this will be ignored. Hash symbol. After the Python code, I am passing hash symbol. The value of a and b are added and stored in C. This is known as an inline comment. Okay. So I will show in the demo. The value of a and b are added and stored in C. So this is known as a inline comment, block comment. Next we are going to discuss about the multi-line comment or a block comment. Multi-line comments are added in Python code in two ways. The first one is add a hash symbol in the beginning of the every physical part of the okay, line, that is known as a multi-line comment. Okay, the hash symbol added in the beginning of the every physical part of the multi-line comment. That means we are having a 3 lines, we have to add a hash symbol in the beginning, okay, of the each line. For example, this is multi-line. I'm telling the above program is to add two numbers. The value of A and B are added and stored in C. Print statement, print the value of C. So what I'm doing, I'm adding hash symbol in the beginning of each line. So this is the one way to represent the multi-line command. So now this line will not be executed by the Python interpreter. So this is the one way, adding hash symbol in the each line of the multi-line. Okay, we have program is having multiple line. At the beginning of the each line, we have to add the hash symbol. Add the hash symbol at the beginning of every physical part of the multi-line command. The next method is type a comment as a triple quoted multi-line string. So we'll have a multiple lines. In the beginning of the line, there's a triple quote, and end of the line also triple quote. So the entire line will get commented. So this type of multi-line comment are known as a docstring. Programmer can use the triple apostrophes or triple quotes to write the docstring. The docstring are very useful in the documentation. We will see how to create the triple quoted multi-line string. We'll see the same example. I'm removing the hash symbols. Okay. So what I'm doing here, the beginning, I'm giving triple quotation. In the end also, I'm giving triple quotation. Now it has become a comment. Okay, this is one way. Instead of a quotation, we use a apostrophe. I use the apostrophe here. Instead of apostrophe, I can use the triple quotation also. Now it has become a comment. Okay. So what are the type of comments? One is known as a full line comment. Okay, we have to add a as symbol in the beginning of the each line. This is known as a full line comment. Okay, we are adding a as symbol in the beginning of the line. Inline comment, after the code in the middle we are adding a hash symbol and we are adding our comment. So the until the end of the string, after the hash symbol until the end of the string will get commented. So a multi-line string, we are able to add a multi-line string by using a hash symbol in the beginning of each line of the multi-line, or we are able to use triple quotation mark or triple apostrophes. So these are the 3 types. One is full line comment, inline comment, and multi-line comment. Multi-line comments are added by using hash in the each line of the multi-line, or we are able to use triple quotation in the beginning and the end. Okay, triple quotation mark at the end. The another way, the IDE Spider IDE is providing option for comment is you can go to the edit symbol. You can go to the edit symbol. In the edit symbol, Control+1, or we can ask comment or uncomment. This is for a single line. To add a block comment, Control+4, you can add or can click this option to add the block comment, and this will remove the block comment. Okay. So I'm selecting a single line. I'm choosing a single line, and go to edit, and I'm giving comment. Okay, now the single line is get added. So for a block comment, I'm selecting the 3 lines, go to edit, and I'm adding a block comment. The block comment is added like this. Okay, the block comment is added like this. Now again, what I'm doing, I'm selecting the 3 lines, go to edit, and remove the block comment. So now it is get removed. So another one timing, I'm selecting 3 lines, go to edit, and I'm giving comment. In this case also, the 3 lines will be individually get commented. So this is the option for a comment and uncomment in Python. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, share and press the bell button. Thank you.